When we went into emergency at-home learning this spring, we had to also come up with a solution for our annual April recitals. As a community program, we have 2 separate recital weeks during the school year, and students had been preparing for these recitals since February 2020. We came up with using FlipGrid as a password protected playlist. The benefits were it was free for our school to use. We could have well over 100 individual videos. Students could record at home with family present. Parents could send the link and password to grandparents and other family for them to enjoy their child's performance, as well as the performances of any classmates. And as the director of the program, I could go through and see how all the students were progressing without attending 8 evening recitals in 1 week. In the weekly lessons leading up to the recording timeframe, teachers reinforced that this is still a formal recital opportunity. Our staff accompanist recorded some backing tracks for students, and we used some backing tracks we found on YouTube. Some students did not use backing tracks in the spring, though we plan to require it for the 2021 recitals. I'll go over a quick version of how we set this up and show you a clip of one student who brilliantly played chamber music with our accompanist on her TV. First, I set up a group that I will likely put all future online recitals in as well, so students can access an entire portfolio. This is where I was able to set up a password for both students to record and families to view all of the recordings. Next, I was able to set up a topic for the spring 2020 recitals where I could set up how students were going to record and view all of the recital submissions. I added general directions at the top so parents would see the same information we sent out via email and students were hearing. Next, I went into the controls and attended to a few things. I added our logo for the formal feel. We were not doing a program. Students were asked to announce their piece. I turned off the comments. While I hope our community would be supportive, I didn't have the time to moderate. I set the recording time to a maximum of 10 minutes, which is the longest FlipGrid would allow. We made sure our students picked pieces that could fit into the right time frame, even with announcing their name and piece. I turned off the selfie and video effects so students would not add emojis to their performance. I did leave on video editing, download and share in case families wanted to edit as they were recording their submissions. I was really impressed with one of my high school students who brilliantly played chamber music with our accompanist who had recorded a video for her. This was only a few weeks after the shutdown, and we were still reeling and trying to figure out how to function. So this refreshingly creative way to make the recital normal in the most unusual circumstances was appreciated.